Well, welcome everybody to the Daffodil on this extremely special occasion for Andrew and Laura. It means a great deal to them both, as I'm sure you already know that you're all here to witness their wedding vows and to share, finally, in this very special occasion with them.
You've known each other from the first glance of acquaintance to this point of commitment. At some point, you decided to marry. From that moment of yes to this moment of yes, indeed, you've been making commitments in an informal way.
Now, through their vows today, which are the formal and the public pledge of their love, they're making a commitment to each other. It's a commitment that requires closeness and a little distance.
All of those conversations that were held in a car or over a meal or during long walks, all those conversations that began with when we're married and continued with I will and you will and we will. All those late night talks that included someday and somehow and maybe. And all those promises that are unspoken matters of the heart. All these common things and more are the real process of a wedding.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of our marriage.
As a symbol of our marriage.
And a token of my love.
And a token of my love.
I promise to respect and care for you.
I promise to respect and care for you.
Be loyal to you.
Be loyal to you.
And above all, love and cherish you.
And above all, love and cherish you.
I receive this ring.
As a symbol.
As a symbol.
Of all that we have promised.
As all that we have promised.
And all that we shall share.
And all that we shall share.
And it gives me great pleasure to declare that you are now husband and wife. And for the benefit of the cameras, of course, you may kiss the bride.